In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on a DocuSign account. We'll walk through signing in, opening your account settings, locating your profile information, updating your first and last name, saving your changes, and confirming that everything looks right. This is quick and straightforward, and I'll share a few tips so your name displays exactly how you want on future documents. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official DocuSign website. To make it effortless, I've placed the official link right at the top of the video description, so you can click it from there. Once you're on the site, sign in with your account credentials. Be sure you're using the correct account if you manage more than one. For your security, never share your login information with anyone. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. DocuSign occasionally updates its interface, but the profile icon and settings option are consistently located in the top right area. Inside Settings, find an open profile or personal information. The label can vary by account type, but both lead to the same place where your basic details are stored. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar within Settings and type Profile to jump straight there. Now, locate the first name and last name fields. Update them with your correct information, paying attention to spelling and capitalization. Consider how you want your name to appear on documents. Use your full legal name if required by your organization, or keep it consistent with your professional signature. Middle names or initials are optional and only needed if you want them displayed. When you're satisfied, click Save or Update to apply the changes. Give it a moment and look for a confirmation or success message. Avoid navigating away until you know the update is saved. If you made a typo, simply correct it and save again. Finally, confirm the update by checking that your name now appears correctly across your DocuSign account and on any future documents you send or sign. Keep in mind, previously completed documents won't be retroactively changed. If you're on a managed or company account and can't edit your name, your administrator may control that field. That's how to change your name on a DocuSign account using the Easy Guide for 2026. The official website link is at the top of the description if you need it. Thanks for watching.